Hi all, welcome to another episode of Monica's Positive Vibes. This is going to be part 3 of increasing your vibration tips and tricks. So, in this episode, whatever makes you feel happy you're going to do, ignoring whatever others say. This is the major drawback we face when others say something, we get things to our heart and that disturbs us to the core. So, ignoring what others say, doing what you like is the tip that I'm going to share you in the first. The next tip and trick that I'm going to share you is do something that creates some energy in you. Maybe it is a painting or a drawing, whatever it is. Do that. This in turn increase your vibrations. When you're doing this, never expect always to get a positive outcome. There may be failures that you come across, and these failures are just a lesson to improvise. Take it that way so that you will gain much of positive vibrations, which will give you energy to try it out the next time. Instead of focusing on others' negative outcome or negativity that they spread, focus on what you are to be and what you love to be. So, focusing on good things relaxes your mind and in turn increases the vibration inside you. Don't you think so? When you focus on the good things that are around you, you in turn internalize a good optimism, which in turn helps you to work in a positive environment. Instead of finding fault in every situation, find the good in each and every situation that molded you to grow. So these in turn will increase your vibration. Never compare yourself with anyone, for each one is unique and not every single person have a similarity in doing things. So focus on your growth, focus on your good. This is not selfishness, it is a technique to improve your self-confidence. Self-confidence is different from overconfidence. That is if I am able to do, that is the self-confidence. Overconfidence is that only I can do. We need self-confidence to grow, not overconfidence. That will in turn decrease our vibration. So analyze whether you're giving self-confidence or overconfidence to a particular task. Instead of focusing on the faults of others, find the good and appreciate them. This in turn will help you to grow in your vibration and helping the other person who is in front of you to grow in his vibration. Hope I'm clear with what I'm saying. Catch you up in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned, stay positive, be calm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, pressing the bell icon, liking, sharing, and feel free to comment at mp.positivevibes@gmail.com. Catch you up in the next episode.